Ji, Subhaji, who has just left our governor, he must have an assignment. I am sure because this year is quite eventful for every governor. My friend Vinod, because of whom I am here, because he is one who somehow manages to get me. That is his case. Himanshu, who has been following. Lalit, I think he spoke very well. I think his shairi was worth laudable. Give him applause. This girl, wonderful girl Dhwani, who performed a beautiful Bharatnatyam, Ganesh Vandana, and fellow Rotarians. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Rotarian J.B. Kabra. Easiest method to remember my name is remember Cobra. और ऊपर का मात्रा उड़ा दीजिए, the remainder is Kabra. That too guaranteed black Cobra. कलर गया तो पैसा वापस. कोई भी साबुन इस्तेमाल कीजिए, साबुन काला होने का खतरा ज्यादा है. फेयर एंड लवली, फेयर एंड हैंडसम, वो सब अपने आगे झक मारते. The point, ladies and gentlemen, is very simple. You must accept what you cannot change and change what you can.
Yes.
And this beautiful lesson I learned from a prayer class of a small organization in Mumbai, which is called Alcoholic Anonymous. The prayer goes, serenity prayer. God grant me serenity to accept the things which I cannot change. Courage and strength to change the things I can. And wisdom to know the difference. हे भगवान, जिस परिस्थिति को मैं नहीं बदल सकता, उसे स्वीकारने के लिए आवश्यक मन की प्रसन्नता मुझे दो. जिस परिस्थिति को मैं बदल सकता हूं, उसे बदलने का धैर्य और ताकत मुझे दो, और ये दोनों का फर्क समझने का ज्ञान मुझे दो. That's all. What I can change and what I cannot change. Ladies and gentlemen, before even I start my topic, let me tell you, I am alive today only because of Rotary. Only because of Rotary. I am a Rotarian for last 25 years. I stay at Thane. Thane, now our club strength is almost 26. And one gentleman who is a thorough Rotarian and my friend Dr. Sandeep Kadam. I will name him personally. I am alive only because of him. I was diagnosed with blood cancer, acute promyelocytic leukemia. My platelet count had fallen down to 9,000 and WBC count, which is supposed to be minimum 4,000, had gone down to 200. And that particular day, see the coincidence, our group 21, you know, the clubs in Thane, that time we were 21, they had organized event on platelet donation. And greatest of the great hemato-oncologist, Dr. M.B. Agarwal, was incidentally there to talk on this particular subject. Now these people, this talk was because the same day he had come from Canada, he had hard day for the whole day, then he came in the evening to deliver a talk and he was about to go. And that time I was admitted in Dr. Kadam's hospital. Dr. Kadam and all our fellow Rotarians, they made sure that Dr. M.B. Agarwal did not leave unless he saw me at 1 o'clock in the night. And when he asked me, because these people were suspecting it could be a case of malaria, it could be a case of dengue. And when he saw me, he said, I am suspecting something else. It requires the courage. Sir, I asked him, are you suspecting this as a case of leukemia? He was taken aback. He said, how do you know it? I said, yes, because I have seen during my earlier years, I have seen so many patients of this type. And he says, I am. Then I told him, I immediately remember the serenity prayer. I said, sir, now it is not in my hand कि मुझे ल्यूकेमिया क्यों हुआ. मुझे कोई बुरी आदत नहीं है. मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा था भगवान जो तूने मुझे इस दुर्धर बीमारी से ग्रसित किया. मैं बोला, that is not in my hand, that is not in God's hand, that is not in anybody's hand. But part 2 is in a doctor's hand, part 2 is in my hand. और अगर हम दोनों मेहनत करेंगे तो भगवान को झक मार के मुझे ठीक करना पड़ेगा. और भगवान ने मुझे ठीक किया. Within less than 2 hours, I was shifted to Bombay Hospital. The treatment started even before, everything was ready, kept ready, even before I reached Bombay Hospital. My papers were made later on. Immediately the chemotherapy started. 22 days I was in a neutropenic condition. Nobody was allowed to enter my room. And when 22nd day, when my bone marrow was taken from spinal cord, I think I was free from cancer, not a single virus of the cancer. Thereafter I went to US. I got myself thoroughly checked, and doctor there told me, you may die because of any other reason, but you will not die certainly because of blood cancer. I said, thank God, at least कम से कम एक बीमारी तो कम होगी जिससे मैं नहीं मरूंगा. So ladies and gentlemen, ये Rotary कर सकती है. This is Rotary Network. This is Rotary Friends. What they can do. डॉक्टर कदम के साथ मेरा कोई रिश्ता नहीं था, एक ही रिश्ता था, वो फेलो रोटेरियन का था, और उस फेलो रोटेरियन के कारण आज मैं जिंदा हूँ. और ये कई बार मैं फख्र के साथ साथियों, जिस समाज में हमने बहुत कुछ पाया है, उस समाज को देना हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है या नहीं बनता है? Is it not? I said I have worked with veteran social worker Dr. Baba Amte, the gentleman who has worked selflessly for leprosy patients. I have seen the leprosy patients 1973. That time this Hemal Kasab Hamragarh project, the first jhopdi was put at our hands. And you must have seen this beautiful movie. If not, please see it. Dr. Prakash Baba Amte. The lead role played by Nana Patekar. And there, all the characters which are depicted in this room, I have lived with them for 4.5 months. And there, Dr. Baba Amte, he, the pioneer in leprosy eradication from the world, I would say, he used to say one thing. दान नादान बनवतं, दान नादान बनवतं. But you see, in Chinese there is a beautiful saying which says, if you feed a hungry person with a piece of fish, you have fed him for a day. But you teach him art of fishing, you have fed him for his life. I recollect when we were there is an organization in the world, Australia, called Food